1. High configuration, high precision, high efficiency of servo full CNC fold. Bend the device. 2. The whole machine is welded with all steel plate structure and by integral tempering. Deal. The bed is automatically controlled back in the furnace, and heat for 48 hours handles stress relief and tempering process. 3. Large imported equipment one-time machining is completed to ensure accuracy. 4. With a professional and powerful number the control system. 5. Boot motor zero rotation, section efficient, low noise. 6. The main motor adopts servo electricity machine control, compared to traditional ordinary electro-hydraulic servo bending machine, average energy saving about more than 50%. Servo main motor in progress. The folding plate only turns when it is working.